Hi again, it's ApriLynn, and today we're going to be making some breakfast. We're making breakfast pizza, but instead of crust, we're going to do hash browns. So first we're going to cook these hash brown patties. I'm just going to line a 9x13 pan with these, if they'll fit. We're going to set our oven to 425. I'm going to spray the bottom of my pan so that the patties don't stick. They barely fit. So we're gonna bake these for 20 minutes, like whatever your package says. While they're baking, we're gonna make some country gravy and sausage and gravy. Okay, let's make this gravy. Pan. My meat is not completely soft. Oh well. If you don't have one of these meat choppers, you're really missing out. They're the best thing in the world. Butter. One teaspoon of pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic, 1/3 cup of flour, we're gonna cook out the flavor for about 2 minutes. I'm going to set the timer.
Why didn't I know from the very start? Oh, you left me here just to fall apart. If I wrote you a letter, would I have a chance? Would you read my letter if I had it sent? If I wrote you a
Gravy is done. Okay, I'm gonna make some eggs, and then the hash browns are done-ish, but because I baked them, they're kind of like crumbly, so we are going to fry them in the pan to get a crispy edge. Lastly, eggs. I did 6, I don't know, I'm just guessing. I'm seasoning my eggs with Larry's seasoning salt and garlic. Nah, bro. Nah. While the eggs are cooking, we're gonna start assembling. I kind of smushed my hash browns to kind of make a crust. You could use shredded hash browns, but I only had the patties. Do you, boo? Okay, so hash browns, and then we're gonna put the country gravy, or the sausage gravy, like as a sauce. If you've never made breakfast pizza before. This is more like a breakfast pizza casserole. I'm most likely gonna have too much gravy, but that's okay. I dropped some on my stove that I just cleaned. Don't forget to check your eggs. I'm cooking these on like one notch above low, so they take a bit. And don't cook them like super dry, because we're gonna put this back in the oven to like melt the cheese. You don't want your eggs to be gross. Gravy on. This is the flour that I used, cup for cup, multi-purpose flour, because no gluten. You could make fresh bacon, but I don't want to. So we're gonna put bacon bits and our eggs. Eggs are pretty much done, so I'm gonna do the eggs next and then the bacon bits. We're only doing eggs, bacon, and cheese on top of the gravy, but you can put whatever you like on your breakfast pizza. Eggs are done. We're gonna pour them on. Hopefully I made enough. If not, I'll make more.
Would you read my letter if I had it sent? If I wrote you a letter now, would I have a chance? If I wrote you a letter now, would it even be read?
I feel like I need to make more. Okay, so 6 was not enough. I think 10 will be good. So I'm gonna quickly make more. I'll be right back. 10 seems good. Now we're gonna finish this. So bacon bits or real bacon and whatever else you want. This is just what I'm putting on it. Like onions and peppers would be good. Lastly, cheese. We're doing sharp cheddar. Last night I was laying in bed thinking about what I wanted to make, and it popped into my head. I'm like, yum, I want to eat that literally right now. Breakfast pizza is one of my favorite things. So freaking good. I always forget to make it. Now that I pretty much can't have real crust, I thought, what better of a crust than hash browns? Okay, we're gonna put this in the oven till the cheese melts, like 5 to 10 minutes. It's still on 425, so it'll take less time. She is done. cut it, plate it, consume it. Taste test time. It stayed in a log or square. That's so good. Yum. Mm. 10 out of 10. Okay, I'm gonna go finish eating this and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Goodbye. Goodbye. Pew pew pew. Oh, pew pew pew.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah.